Well, my father served with the British Army. He saw quite a lot of actions. He was in Borneo fighting the Malaysian communists. Then he was promoted from there to become an officer. And I got a picture of him here taking the parade. In front of the picture is him taking the parade for a VIP visit in Malaysia. Then he was also awarded military medal twice for his bravery. The first time again was in Malaysia, where he, in this picture you can see he's on the right here. He was the section commander in charge of few soldiers, and he was assigned on an ambush duty. So he went on ambush to capture some enemies or kill them. He tells me that he was in ambush for 3 days, and some days they could move anywhere, of course, because they are ambushing for the enemies. He could see nice ripe fruit opposite his hideouts, and yet he could not move. All he can see says that his mouth was watering and he was dying to get that fruit. But at the end, he got all the enemies, they killed all the enemies, and from that he got the military medal.